Hello everyone, this is Team Knowledge channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix call problem in Samsung Galaxy M02 or M02s. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you are facing call problem or incoming call not showing on display problem in Samsung Galaxy M02 or M02s, so to fix this issue, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.